Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a digital signature. So let's talk about why you need a digital signature. You don't need to be printing out documents for you to sign them. You can actually do that online. So that will save time by knowing this skill. You can use the digital signatures to sign your documents that you receive on your emails without printing and scanning those documents. So you can just go and fill in those documents and insert your signature. And also you can have your signature on your emails as well. Or you can create your stationery for your business which has your signature on it. So before we get started, let's cue in the intro. Hello and welcome to BLACKHIVE. If you're a new subscriber and joining us for the first time, welcome. You're joining a community of people that are looking to learn digital skills. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know what it is. We're learning digital skills, and welcome back to my channel. To get started, you're going to need a clean sheet, A4 paper or whatever paper that you can find, but it has to be white. It has to have a nice crystal white background, and you will sign on that paper. After you've signed on the paper, make sure that your pen is clear as much as possible. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want me to cover or what you like to learn in your digital skills learning journey. This is to get the picture on your computer. After you've WhatsApped the picture to yourself, you can access desktop WhatsApp, or you can go into your emails and download the image. After you've downloaded the image, you save it in a location that you can remember. Then we are going to use remove.bg to remove the image background. So why do we need to remove the image background? Because we can't insert the signature on a document with a background. We want it without the background so that it can fit into any document. If the document is on a different paper or whatever color paper, then it needs to fit into that document and look like you have signed the document electronically, or it needs to look like you've actually printed the document and signed it. Then we use remove.bg as illustrated on this nice snapshot to remove the image background. After you've removed the image background, you download the image onto your computer. It goes into the download folder automatically when you're downloading from that website. And you can copy that PNG file. PNG means it doesn't have an image background. It's just an image itself. It's transparent. Then you can copy that image, the signature, into a desired location. This is a location which you know that you will remember, and you can insert it. I also have a video on how to edit a PDF file, which means how you can sign the documents electronically. So do check it out as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want me to cover or what you would like to learn in your digital skills learning journey. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.